And today we're going to be going through step by step on how you could build a nice modern website for your church for free from scratch. So I want to encourage you to go ahead and get comfortable. It's going to be good. Pull out a note pen, pull out a pad. We're going to go through step by step on how you can build a nice modern website for your church, and it's going to be good. Let me see if I can give you the end desire of what we're looking for. Give me 1 second. Hold on 1 second. Boom. A church website. And then we're going to go to .com. Boom. Okay, I think this is it. All right, here we go. This is going to be our goal right here. We're going to try to build this for free. Come on, somebody. What do you think about that? Building a nice website like that for free. And we've come a long ways, huh? This used to be the first website. Now we've upgraded. I've learned a lot. Okay, so let me go ahead and close this, and we're going to keep this as our what do you call it? As our desired end. That's going to be our vision right there. Come on, somebody. So, are you comfortable? Ready to roll? All right. First thing I want you to do is I want you to go ahead and go to my website, PastorDre.com. See that right there? Let's go ahead and go to PastorDre.com. Let me refresh this for you. Okay. And once you get to PastorDre.com, I want you to click where it says free website. See right here? I want you to go ahead and click that. Okay. Once you click free website, it's going to take you to a page that looks just like this. At this point, what I want you to do is decide on a domain name for your website. For example, a domain name is yahoo.com, google.com, facebook.com, theonfirechurch.com. That's a domain name. That's basically where people are going to find you on the internet. Now, keep in mind, this is a free website, so you will be setting up a subdomain. So your domain might be the onfirechurch.siterubics.com. So there's going to have that .siterubics because that's the place that's going to be hosting your website for free. If you want to get your own domain, you do need to pay, and the price is about $15 a year, maybe 250 Rand if you're in South Africa a year. So that's not bad. But I'm gonna go for a free website. Okay. So I'm gonna show you how to do everything for free, and we're gonna get started. So just keep in mind it will be a subdomain. All right. So it's better to have a free website than not one at all. If you are a church, you need a website nowadays. We all know what's taking place as far as churches not being able to meet in their buildings or they're limited to capacity. So if you don't have a website nowadays, it's like your church doesn't have a building. Okay, so I'm going to go ahead and say, let me just call this My Cool Website. You can name it whatever you want. Like I said, you can name it, or you can name it the name of your church, the name of your business, the name of your ministry. For example, if you are the Radical Church, you can type here the radicalchurch.siterubics.com. Okay, so my case, I'm going to put My Cool Church. How about that? My Cool Church. And then you need to see if it's available. If it's available, it's going to say available here. All right. So now I would have a domain that says mycoolchurch.siterubics.com. So if anybody wanted to visit my website, that's where they would go. So once your domain is available, I want you to click build my free website. Okay. Once you click that, it's going to take you to a page that looks just like this. I want you to go ahead and enter your email address right here. Enter your name right here. Choose a username, and then choose a password. Now, the reason you need to fill this out is because you are actually signing up to a community, and this community is rocking. And I'm going to show you how to get the free membership of this community. There is a paid membership, which offers a lot of stuff, but that's up to you. What I'm going to show you is how you can do everything for free. So that's why it's asking for your email, your name. You need to choose your username and a password. It's kind of like a Facebook community, but for those that like to build websites and get more traffic to your website. So not only is it a community, but it's like also it has online courses that teaches you how to build, how to like get traffic to your website. And when you sign up for the actual premium membership, it teaches you all kinds of stuff. You get 24/7 chat. You can get videos, step-by-step videos on how to build a website, how to get traffic to your website. It gives you 20 websites that you can host, included all in the premium membership, and that's $49 a month. But like I said, there's free membership and then there's paid. I'm going to show you how to do everything with the free membership. And the cool thing is when you join, they give me a little commission because I am an affiliate. Okay. All right. So once you fill in this information, I'm going to go ahead and log into my account because I'm a member. It's going to give you a page that looks just like this. Once you log in, you're going to get a page that looks just like this one. So what I want you to do is I want you to go ahead and click free domain. We're going to build a website. It says, what kind of website do you want to build? You want to build one off of a free domain. And then once again, choose a domain name for your website. You already found out that My Cool website is available. So I'm going to choose that, My Cool website, or My Cool Church, I think it was. Awesome. It's available. All right. And then I'm going to enter a title for my website. I'm going to say My Cool Church website. Once again, you put the title of your church or whatever you would like to put. Okay. And then here, I'm going to choose this theme here. You only have one. I have several because I am a premium member, but you're only going to have one. So let's go ahead and choose that theme there, which is called Generate Press. And then I want you to click Build My Free Website. Let's go. The fun's about to start. It's going to take about maybe 10, 20 seconds to set everything up for you. It is actually setting up a website for you right now. So once this is done, you could actually go to mycool or mycoolchurch.siterubics.com and your website is live. So whatever you chose for your domain name, when this is done installing, you are all the way live. So let's let it do what it has to do. All right, there it is. I'm going to go ahead and click log in now. And I'm going to log into the dashboard of my website. And that's where you're going to log in. So this is what you call the dashboard. And this is where all the fun takes place. Come on, somebody. All right. So let's get started. Here's our goal. This is our goal. Excuse me. And so far, we have, let me go ahead and visit our website. In order to visit your existing website, you just click where it says My Cool Church website, where it says visit site. You just go to click that. So I'm going to go ahead and open that up. And this is how our website looks right now. It is live. As you can see here, the domain, mycoolchurch.siterubics.com is all the way live. All right, so how do we get it to look like this? First thing we want to do, you go back to your dashboard. Okay, so let me just make this clear. I'm going to close this. All right, so this is our dashboard. This is our existing website, how it looks, and this is our goal. Okay, so let's go. All right, first thing you want to do is when you're in your dashboard, I want you to go here where it says settings. I want you to click right there. Okay, let's make sure everything is good here. You can change your tagline to whatever the name of your church is. Say, for example, the On Fire Church, the place where God is moving. So this could be your site title, My Cool Church website, the place where God is moving. Okay, so you could put anything for your tagline. So I'm going to put the place where we have church. I'm going to say that. You could put whatever you want. We have church. Okay, and then let's go ahead. Did I spell church right? Yes. Okay, let's go ahead and click save. Save changes. Next, I want you to go to settings and I want you to click writing. I want you to do me a favor. Go ahead and click where it says block editor. Click that. Where it says allow users to switch editors, click yes. Tick yes, and then click save changes. Okay. All right. Next thing I want you to do is I want you to go where it says appearance, customize. And then I want you to go where it says site identity. Click there. And I want you to tick where it says hide site title and hide site tagline. Go ahead and tick that and click publish. Okay. All right. Go ahead and close that by clicking the X here. Should take you back to your dashboard. Next thing I want you to do is I want you to go back to your website, how it looks now, and click the refresh. This is this arrow here. Click that. Now it's showing you how your website looks right now. All right, we're getting there. All right, this website is our goal. It has 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 pages. So what I want you to do now is go back to your dashboard. I want you to go to pages. I want you to go ahead and delete where it says sample page. Go ahead and trash that. Okay. Then where it says add new, we're going to start adding pages. So I want you to click add new. First page we're going to add is our home page. So I want you to go ahead and you can click the X there. Where it says add title, just type in the word home. And then I want you to click publish. And then click publish again. All right, go back, click the back arrow, click add new. And then what I want you to do is I want you to type in the next page we're going to set up, which is live webcast. So go back here, site where it says add title, type in live webcast. And click publish and click publish. All right, click the back arrow, click add new. Then we're going to type in blog. So once it pops up and it's going to ask you for add title, I want you to type in blog. And I want you to go ahead and click publish. Publish again. Okay, go ahead and click the back arrow. Let's go ahead and refresh by clicking this, and your pages should be updated. All right, let's find out the next page. We got small groups. Go back to dashboard, click add new. After you click add new, what I want you to go ahead and type in small groups where it says add title, small groups, and then select publish, publish again. Okay, we're going to do this for 2 more pages. So go ahead and once you add your small groups, go ahead and click the back arrow, click add new. And then the next page we're going to add is the podcast page. So once it's done loading, where it says add title, I want you to type in podcast. And then I want you to click publish again. And we're going to add one more page. Click the back arrow, click add new. And I want you to go ahead and type in the word contact us. So we're going to, where it says add title, you click there, then you type in contact us. And you click publish and publish again. Okay, go ahead and click the back arrow. Let's refresh by clicking this button here. And all of our pages should be there. You want to keep the privacy policy one. Go ahead and keep that page. All right, so now when we go here to our existing website and we click refresh, we should see our pages added. All right, pretty cool, right? So we're getting there. We've got our pages here. So, but if you notice, it says home, live webcast, blog, small groups, podcast, contact us. This one says home, live webcast, blog, small groups, podcast, contact us. If you ever want to change the order of your pages, you just go to appearance, menu, okay? And then what you do is you just, this is your menu right here. You click and drag, and it'll change the order. See that? So we're going to change the order of our menu right here. So we want to go home, then we're going to click and bring up live webcast. Making sure it's all the way to the left. If it's to the right, it'll be a sub menu. You don't want that. You want to bring it all the way to the left. Okay, so let's go home, live webcast, and what's the other order? Blog, small groups. So we're going to go get blog. That's already there. Small groups. We're going to bring that up to the left there. And then we got podcast. So let's grab podcast, bring that up. Bring it up after small groups to the left, all the way to the left. And then we got contact us. So let's get contact us and bring that all the way to the left. Now you notice you have 2 home pages. What I want you to do is go ahead and click create menu. Okay. Then what I want you to do is here, we're going to delete this one. Okay. Let me see, make sure I delete the right one here. Boom. Okay, yeah. So let's go ahead and let me refresh it just to make sure. 1 second. Okay, so if I click here, let me just, that's the home page. So I'm going to go ahead and delete this. You want to delete the one here, not the one that says custom link. Okay, so let's go ahead and click save menu. All right, and then I'm going to click primary menu and then click save menu again. Now watch this. When I click refresh, there's our menu. So if I click any of these, it's going to take us to that page. Blog, small groups, then it goes to the home page. Okay, now what we're going to do is we're going to change our home page now to a website. Right now it's a blog, but we're going to change it to a website. So the way you do that is we're going to go out of your section here and go back to where it says dashboard. Okay, so the next thing we're going to do is I want you to go where it says settings. You click there. I'm sorry, not settings, reading. I want you to click where it says reading. Go up right here where it says a static page. I want you to click that. Go to where it says select, click on there and select home. Then for post page, I want you to go where it says select that and click blog. And then I want you to click save changes. Okay, now when you refresh your website, you are taken to a home page and not a blog page. Come on, give yourself a hand. We are making progress. Remember, our goal is to get it to look like this. We're getting there. All right, the next thing we want to do is we want to add this image. Or let's change the color of this. Let's change that to blue. Right now, it's black. So how do we change that? We're going to go to appearance. And then you could click customize over here, or you could click customize over here, whatever you like to do. Okay, so once you click customize, it's going to give you the option to make some changes. So I want you to go where it says colors, scroll down, and see where it says navigation color presets. Click that, and I want you to click blue. See, I changed it to blue, and then you just click publish. Okay, so now when we go back and we refresh our website, it's actually going to be blue. All right, now what we're going to do is we're going to add this image. The way you do that is just go ahead and hit the X right here. And then we're going to go to appearance, and we're going to go to pages. And we're going to work on our home page. So whatever page you work on, you want to edit that in your block editor. So let's go ahead and click edit with block editor. Okay. Your page is going to load up. Then what I want you to do is I want you to go ahead and click where this eye right here. Go ahead and click that. That's going to make that home disappear, which we don't want. I don't like it. You could leave it if you want, but I like it where without the writing. So let me go ahead and update. I'll show you what happens when you click the eye to make the home disappear. Right now there's home, right? If I refresh it, when I click the eye, it makes the home disappear. I like that better. And we're also going to get rid of this over here. I'm going to show you how to do that right now. The way you get rid of that side panel, that side bar, is you go to the home, you're on your home page, see where it says sidebars, you click there. And then see where it says content no sidebars, click that. And then I want you to click update. So now you go back to your website, click refresh, it gives you just a page, right? Just like this one. This one has no sidebars. All right, we're making progress. So now our goal, we want to add this image. So how do you do that? Okay, see this plus? I want you to click there. And then I want you to type in the word cover, C-O-V-E-R, and select this box right here. Okay, now I already have images on my computer. If you have a graphic designer or an image that you would like to put of your church, maybe worshiping, you can do that. You know, you get your graphic designer to design it for you in a JPEG format, JPG, and then you upload it to your hard drive. So I already have my image uploaded, so I'm going to go get it. So I'm going to click upload right here. Okay. And here's my images. So I'm going to select this image right here. Then I'm going to click open. Okay. And then it's going to take a little while to upload because it's a big image. And so I'm going to go ahead and click update. So give it a little time. It's actually uploading. And when you do get an image, try not to make it too big. Mine is big for the sake of this tutorial. But if I was to actually put the image, I would make sure it's not such a big size because it slows down your website. But just for the sake of this tutorial, I'm uploading this image. Okay. So now here's our image. So we click update. Now we're going to go over here and we're going to click refresh. Our image should show up. There it is. But if you notice, it's not going the whole width of the website. It's cut off. It's only in the middle. How do you fix that? You want to scroll down. You want to click up here at the top. You want these options to show up. You scroll down, see where it says layout. Click, make sure you have that selected. Okay. And then where it says, where we at here? Page builder container. Click that. And it's going to say default, full width, or contained. I want you to click full width and then click update. Then go back over here, click refresh on your existing website, and there you go. It spreads all the way to the left and to the right. So we're getting there. So how do we put this typing on here? Okay, what you want to do, see where it says write title, you click there. And once again, we are the Cool Church. So I'm going to type the Cool Church. Then I'm going to click update. And then I'm going to click refresh. And there you go. There it is. All right. And then I'm going to say tune into our live webcast every Sunday morning at 9 a.m. To do that, I just go after the church where it says church and then click enter. It's going to give me an opportunity to make another line. So I'm going to click the plus and I'm going to click paragraph. And then I'm going to start typing. Join us every Sunday morning for our live webcast at 9 a.m. Okay. Now to center it, I click. See these lines right here? You click there and you click align text center and it centers it. Then you click update. Okay. Let's go to our website. Let's refresh. There you go. Now to add the button, how do we do that? We're going to go to the end of the 9 a.m. Click enter. You're going to get a little plus that shows up. Click the plus, and I want you to type in the word button. Okay, and then select button. There's your button right there. I want you to, we'll type whatever you want. I'm going to say watch now. Okay, this is for our live webcast. Okay, and then I'm going to click the button. Okay, and then you want this square to show up. See these lines? Click the line and click align center. It puts your button in the center. Now I'm going to click the button, scroll over here where it says color settings. I'm going to click that. And the text color, I want it to be white. The button color, I want it to be yellow. So I'm going to select that. Okay. And then you click update. So now we are making progress. So let's go ahead and click refresh. It's pretty cool. We're pretty close to this one, right? The only difference is this watch live is bold and ours says watch now. So let's bold it. Let's bold it. You highlight the text and you click the B and you click update. So now when you refresh, it's going to be a little bit bolder. There you go. Similar to that one. Okay. All right. Good stuff. We're making progress. If you have any questions, you can email me, Pastor Dre at pastordre.com, and I'll try to help you out. Okay. let's go ahead and see what we got to do next. Next is they have some typing here. Welcome to the On Fire Church. So how do we add that? All right, let's go back to our dashboard. Make sure you update. Always want to update. Make sure your changes are saved. Let's click the arrow and we're going to go back to our dashboard. Okay, now we're going to go to our home page, click edit with block editor. Okay, and we're going to add this typing. Welcome to the On Fire Church, but we're going to type welcome to the Cool Church. And one more thing I noticed is you could also bold where it says the On Fire Church or the Cool Church. You can bold that too. Like if you want it to stand out, let me show you. If I highlight it and I bold it, let me do it real quick. Highlight it and bold it. It'll stand out more. You could also change the size of the font if you go over here, and you can make it bigger by clicking the arrow. See that? Let's make it 45 so it stands out. Then you update, click refresh. It's going to stand out a little bit more like that. Okay. All right. So let's go back. Now we're going to add this typing here. Welcome to the On Fire Church. So you go back and then see where this plus is down here. You click that. And then you want you to click paragraph. And then you just start typing. Welcome to in our case, we're going to put welcome to the Cool Church. You can put whatever you want. I should say in my case, I'm going to put welcome to the Cool Church. Whatever the name of your church is, whatever you want to put, you could type whatever you want. Okay. So I'm going to say welcome to the Cool Church. Boom. All right. And then I'm going to highlight it. I'm going to bold it. I'm going to select these lines here and I'm going to put Align Text Center. Then I'm going to go over here, see this little image, this little thing, click that. And click where it says heading. And I'm going to click where it says H2, but I'm going to click H1. Okay. And then I'm going to click here and click Align Text Center. Okay. And then I'm going to click Update. So now when I go refresh, we should have some typing. Oh, that looks nice. That looks really nice. Okay. All right. Now we want to do the On Fire Church has a mission to spread the gospel to this generation. So we're going to add our typing. The way you do it is you go to plus, type paragraph, and we're going to say, let me see, welcome to the Cool Church, the church that is on fire for God. Like I said, you could put whatever you want. I'm just typing this for the sake of the tutorial. I'm going to bold it, click these lines, click Align Text Center. All right, you can make it a little bigger by clicking this here, or you can go over here where it says preset size. You can make it normal, you can make it medium, you can make it large, and you could also adjust it a little bit more by changing the numbers here. So let's make it 20, 25. Okay, then I'll click update. Go over here, click refresh, and there you go. Welcome to the Cool Church, the church that is on fire for God. All right, so, and theirs is unbolded. I kind of like the unbolded better, so I'm going to go back, select this, and I'm going to unbold it. And then I'm going to click update. I kind of like that better. Let's go to our website. Let's click refresh. That looks cool. That's rocking. Okay, so now what they have is 3 images. So how do you do that? What you want to do is you click, after where it says God or the last word in your sentence, or you could always go up here and click the blue plus. And then we're going to add columns. So go ahead and type in the word columns and then select columns and then it adds it. Okay, so you can either